Micro mini mukbang, micro mini mukbang, micro mini mukbang. Hi, I'm doing a quick, it is going to be a chicken panini Cordon Bleu that is in a wrap that will be slightly toasted. Let's get started. We're going to start with an onion honey mustard. I've used two types of mustard. I've used a Dijon and a yellow mustard. Put that honey in, y'all. Ooh, bear honey. Bear honey. Some minced onion. And we start off with a layer of Swiss. And then you start piling your meats. Cheese has to be on the bottom so it all sticks together. You have your chicken. It's no time, but you gotta rush, because time is your enemy.
Oh, hamily damily, doo. Yumbly, dumbly, with ham, oink, ham. Queso blanco, ooey and gooey. Let's get it saucy tonight. Let's gonna make you feel right. Let's get it saucy tonight, the way I like it.
Ooh, saucy.
Sauce in you,
Ooh,
because
saucy.
you are so beautiful. Dippy dippy doo.
Now let's try this chicken cordon bleu. I made it a panini so it would be crisp, so you don't miss that crisp outer part. Let me tell you. Look at that.
Stop, look, lust, admire me.
The chicken and ham, the Swiss, the honey mustard and onion, Dijon mustard. Great. It's a really good deli sandwich. And believe it or not, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Sometimes you get an ace in the hole. This is an ace in the hole. This makes one hell of a lunch. And if you don't have chicken cordon bleu and you need it, this is one hell of a sedation. The melty cheese. Got some potato salad. Now look, no raisins. I don't understand the people who put raisins in either. I think they're the lizard people who put raisins in their potato salad. They're probably the people who serve hot dog water soup.
No.
There's a good old southern potato salad. Made from a southern boy. Very good. Very, very good. And Laura's spicy hot deals. Come on. Doesn't want to get out because it's going to go in my mouth. Come to me and go in my mouth. Oh. I won't tell you. Homemade pickles, homemade potato salad, homemade sandwich, homemade paradise. They're all one and the same.
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Almost paradise. This is amazing. This is what we call delicious. Put my fork back in the pickles. I love it. It's vinegary, spicy. And it's all from Papa's Garden. I am the one who actually got the last jar of Aunt Nora's Hot Deals. I wasn't even a grandchild. She was my great aunt. Henceforth the name Aunt Nora, not Grandma Elnora.
In our family, everybody had one good thing they made, and Aunt Elnora had her hot dill. I loved Aunt Elnora's pickles, and at one time we were having a picnic at Mom's. I had the last thing of pickles ever to be created, just sitting there on the kitchen counter. Mom, being the darling Southern woman as she is, said, "Eddie, why don't you pick up those pickles and share 'em with your cousins?" So, like the Southern gentleman I am, I stood up and walked him into my bedroom. These were the very, very last, made with love. I think Papa needs all the love he can get.
Puts raisins in their potato salad. That's a choice and a judgment call. Nobody will see you the same afterwards. Just letting you know. All of your friends will remind you of the time you put raisins in the potato salad. And I'm going to tell you, I have been to places up north that put raisins in their potato salad. I'm like, why? Or white currants. Mm-mm. That is not one of the ingredients. I'm sure that half the people in here are like, what are currants? They're like a raisin, but not. They're a totally different fruit. Like there's some salads that can hold vegetables.
You mean fruit,
like
you
Waldorf,
fruit.
tabbouleh. Potato is not one of them. Especially this one. Oh. You could tell someone put their foot in this one. That's how good it is. Prove me wrong! This sandwich could sail 1,000 ships. This could piss off Agamemnon. Because down here we put our foot in it. That sandwich was so worth it. And it was crispy and delicious and just what the doctor ordered on a rainy day. Be kind to one another, love one another, reach out to one another, and like Grandpa Zach would always used to say, don't be an asshole.